Today, we're talking about one of nature's most powerful juices, packed with flavor, color, and incredible health benefits. Versus pomegranate juice, equally powerful, but cranberry is more affordable and widely available worldwide.
Cranberry juice. This deep red drink has been celebrated for centuries, and science is finally catching up to why.
These benefits are backed by peer-reviewed scientific research, not just anecdotal evidence or old wives' tales. In this video, we'll cover the top 10 health benefits, how to make it at home, when to drink it, and expert tips.
Native Americans used cranberries for centuries as food, dye, and medicine long before modern science confirmed their benefits.
Health professionals around the world recommend cranberry juice.
It's a key part of a balanced, nutritious diet.
The evidence is clear on its health benefits.
We recommend it for overall wellness. Cranberry juice has officially earned its spot among the world's top superfoods, and it deserves every bit of it.
Today, cranberry juice is one of the most popular health drinks in the world, and for very good reason. Let's wrap up everything we've covered in today's complete guide to cranberry juice. Let's start with what's actually inside cranberry juice, the nutritional powerhouse behind every sip. The 10 benefits: UTI prevention, heart health, immunity, dental care, digestion, cancer prevention, brain health, skin, weight management, and kidney protection.
Cranberry juice is rich in vitamin C, a key nutrient that strengthens your immune system and fights off illness.
Making it at home is simple. Boil cranberries, strain, sweeten, add lemon, and enjoy fresh every day.
It contains powerful antioxidants, especially proanthocyanidins, that protect your body from damaging free radicals.
Best consumed in the morning or before meals. 1 to 2 glasses daily is the sweet spot for health benefits. When buying, always choose 100% pure, unsweetened cranberry juice. Your health depends on it.
You'll also find vitamin E for skin health and vitamin K1 for proper blood clotting and bone strength.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss our health guides.
Essential minerals like copper and manganese support nerve function, bone health, and energy metabolism. Drop a comment below. Do you drink cranberry juice? What benefits have you noticed? We'd love to hear from you. Here's the best part for calorie watchers. 1 cup of unsweetened cranberry juice has only 45 calories. Cranberry juice is packed with antioxidants that support your health. It helps prevent urinary tract infections by stopping bacteria. Plus, it promotes your immune system. Enjoy the refreshing taste and benefits daily. Cranberry juice also provides dietary fiber, which supports healthy digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Important warning: many store-bought cranberry drinks contain added sugar. Always choose 100% unsweetened juice. Fresh pressed or 100% pure cranberry juice gives you the maximum benefit with 0 unnecessary additives. Now let's dive into the 10 science-backed health benefits that make cranberry juice truly remarkable. Benefit number 1: UTI prevention. Cranberry juice is most famous for protecting against urinary tract infections. Its proanthocyanidins prevent harmful bacteria from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract. Benefit number 2: heart health. Cranberry juice is a natural ally for your cardiovascular system. UTIs are especially common in women, and regular cranberry juice consumption can significantly reduce the risk. Studies show it lowers bad cholesterol, LDL, and raises good cholesterol, HDL, reducing heart disease risk. It also helps regulate blood pressure and reduces inflammation in blood vessels. Benefit number 3, immune boost. The combination of vitamin C and antioxidants creates a powerful immune defense.
Regular consumption can reduce the frequency and severity of colds, flu, and common infections.
Benefit number 4, dental health. Cranberry juice actively fights the bacteria responsible for tooth decay. Its compounds prevent bacteria from forming plaque on teeth, reducing cavities and gum disease. Benefit number 5, better digestion. Cranberry juice promotes a healthy gut microbiome. Benefit number 6, cancer prevention. Research suggests cranberry antioxidants may inhibit the growth of cancer cells.
It feeds beneficial gut bacteria and helps reduce bloating, inflammation, and digestive discomfort.
Studies have shown potential benefits against breast, colon, and prostate cancer, though more research is ongoing. Benefit 7, brain health. Cranberry juice supports cognitive function and protects brain cells. Its antioxidants help prevent oxidative stress in the brain, which is linked to memory loss and cognitive decline. Benefit number 8, glowing skin. Vitamin C in cranberry juice boosts collagen production for youthful skin.
Antioxidants fight the signs of aging, reducing wrinkles and keeping your skin looking fresh and vibrant.
Benefit number 9, weight management. With only 45 calories per cup, cranberry juice fits perfectly into any diet. It supports metabolism and fat-burning processes, making it an excellent choice for weight-conscious individuals.
It reduces the buildup of oxalate and calcium crystals that lead to painful kidney stones.
Benefit number 10, kidney stone prevention. Cranberry juice helps prevent the formation of kidney stones. Now let's learn how to make fresh homemade cranberry juice. It's easier than you think. You'll need 2 cups fresh cranberries, 3 cups water, 2 tablespoons honey or sugar, and the juice of 1 lemon. Step 1. Rinse the cranberries thoroughly under cold water and remove any that look soft or damaged. Step 2. Add the cranberries and water to a pot and bring to a medium boil for 10 to 15 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the berries burst open and the water transforms into a beautiful deep red. Step 3. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to remove all skins and seeds. Stir in honey or sugar while the juice is still warm so it dissolves completely and evenly.
Step 5. Squeeze in fresh lemon juice to brighten the flavor and add an extra hit of vitamin C.
Let it cool to room temperature or pour over ice. Your homemade cranberry juice is ready to enjoy.
Garnish with a sprig of fresh mint or an orange slice, because presentation makes every drink taste better.
Store leftover juice in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 to 7 days. Such a simple recipe and so many incredible benefits. Time to make it a daily habit. Let's talk about the best time to drink cranberry juice and how much is right for you. Drinking 1 glass on an empty stomach in the morning activates your metabolism and kickstarts digestion.
Drinking it 30 minutes before meals helps stimulate digestive enzymes and prepares your gut for food.
The recommended daily intake is 1 to 2 glasses, about 240 to 480 milliliters, for optimal health benefits. After exercise, cranberry juice rehydrates the body and supports muscle recovery with its anti-inflammatory properties.
Drinking too much can cause stomach acidity, diarrhea, and digestive discomfort. Moderation is key.
If the flavor is too tart, dilute it with water. You'll still get the benefits with a milder taste.
Children can enjoy cranberry juice too. Serve it diluted and unsweetened for a healthy, refreshing option. Doctor, is it safe to take supplements during my pregnancy?
It's best to consult your doctor first. Pregnant women and those with kidney conditions should consult a doctor before adding it to their routine. Diabetics should always choose 100% unsweetened cranberry juice to avoid unwanted blood sugar spikes. Now for some expert tips and creative ways to enjoy cranberry juice beyond just drinking it straight. Tip 1. Blend it into a smoothie. Mix cranberry juice with strawberries, banana, or apple for a delicious health drink.
Tip number 2. Make a healthy mocktail. Combine cranberry juice with sparkling water, lime, and mint for a refreshing drink.
Tip number 3. Freeze it into ice cubes. Drop them into water, lemonade, or smoothies for instant flavor and color. Tip number 4. Use it as a salad dressing base. Mix with olive oil and balsamic vinegar for a tangy, healthy dressing.
Tip number 6. Use it for your skin. Mix cranberry juice into a DIY face mask for a natural brightening treatment. Tip number 5. Make cranberry sauce. It pairs beautifully with chicken, turkey, or even as a spread on toast. Tip 7. Rinse your hair with it. Diluted cranberry juice adds shine and helps balance scalp pH.
Tip number 8. Read labels carefully. Look for 100% juice on the label. Avoid products labeled drink, cocktail, or blend. Tip number 10. Choose organic when possible. Organic cranberries are free from pesticide residue for a cleaner juice. Tip number 9. Frozen cranberries work just as well as fresh. Stock up when they're in season and freeze for year-round use. The most important tip of all, be consistent. The benefits of cranberry juice build up over time with daily use. Try the 30-day cranberry juice challenge. Drink 1 glass every day and watch the difference for yourself. People report clearer skin, higher energy, fewer UTIs, and improved digestion within just a few weeks.
Let's bust some common myths about cranberry juice that might be holding you back from its full benefits.
Just 1 glass a day, and the results will speak for themselves. Your body will thank you.
Myth number 1. Cranberry juice cures UTIs. Truth. It prevents them. For an active infection, always see a doctor.
Myth number 3. More is better. Truth. Excessive amounts cause acidity and stomach issues. Stick to 1-2 cups daily.
Myth number 2. All cranberry juice is healthy. Truth. Most store brands are loaded with added sugar. Read the label. Myth number 4. People with kidney issues should avoid it. Truth. In moderate amounts, it can actually be beneficial. Now let's see how cranberry juice stacks up against other popular juices.
Versus apple juice, cranberry juice wins on antioxidant content and contains fewer natural sugars.
Versus orange juice, both are rich in vitamin C, but cranberry has unique proanthocyanidins that OJ doesn't.
Versus grape juice, both support heart health, but cranberry is lower in calories and carbohydrates.
These benefits are backed by peer-reviewed scientific research, not just anecdotal evidence or old wives' tales.